Welcome to our ultimate guide on making money with Instagram Reels. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to monetize your Reels effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your current strategy, this video is for you. What you'll learn. 1. Understanding Instagram Reels. Get an overview of what Reels are and why they are a powerful tool for engagement and income. 2. Choosing your niche. Discover how to select a niche that suits your interests and has profit potential. 3. Creating engaging content. Learn tips and tricks for making eye-catching Reels that capture attention and keep viewers engaged. 4. Building your audience. Strategies for growing your follower base organically, which is essential for monetization. 5. Using analytics. Understand how to analyze your performance to refine your content and maximize income. 6. Consistency is key. Discover the importance of regular posting and how to maintain a content calendar. 7. Engaging with your audience. Techniques to interact with your followers and build a loyal community. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for turning your passion for creating Reels into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tips for making money online.